It's Arlene. We are here at St. John's, New Brunswick. And this is the reversing rapids. It is this way right now, and then later it will be reversed. Interesting, isn't it? Pabalik-balik lang pala ang tubig dito. Mamaya reverse. Interesting. Reversing rapids. Reversing falls rapids. Ito pala ang pangalan. Interesting.
Unless something is a little wacky. When we come back here in 5 hours, there'll be rapids up there, and this river will be rushing that way.
See? Later, itong tubig na to, di ba nakikita nyo, coming my way. But later, like 5 hours from now, it will be going to the opposite direction. Oh, we haven't seen something like that, di ba? Isn't that interesting?
This way. End up a raft.
Mm-hmm.
But you're a kid. Somebody says, dare you to jump out of the tower. So here's the raft, you climb up. I jump in. Blah, 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 blah. Turn to swim to the raft. With this time, I'm now way down here. I'm going to swim back that way as hard as I can, or I'm getting swept away. But later in the day, you jump in. You turn around.
I know I was on the herd. It's a good thing that
Napaka-interesting naman. Yan ang magic dito. Kaya sila natutuwa, ako rin. Nakikita nyo, the water's going to the left. But after 5 hours daw, it will be going reverse. Kaya reversing falls rapids siya. Pabalik siya later. Interesting, ano kaya, no? Bakit kaya ganun? Hindi ko alam, wala ka sa guide. But then we can Google or we can ask ChatGPT, why is that happening? It would be interesting to know. Paswa.
watching that.
Or an Indian.
Gawa ata ng papel ito eh, no?